Hi friends, good morning. This is R.K. Pilwal. Friends, today I want to express my views that how can we learn English, how can we learn spoken English and all these things. Friends, you know well that in today's time English is very mandatory, very necessary. So in such a crucial moment, if you want to learn English like foreigners or like the native speakers, so first of all we must listen the language of others. So listening plays an important role. If we listen the language of foreigners, people in their own accent, like they speak like the native speakers, we must memorize these things. We should listen them attentively or carefully. Only when we can express our views. And another thing is that we must read the newspaper, because reading newspaper is mandatory in today's time. When we read newspaper, we come across so many idioms, so many phrases, so many new words, or the words which are used in today's time. And they play an important role, and we can enhance our we can say that knowledge, like games and sports, like politics, like criminal activities and what's happening around us. So newspapers provide us a lot of things, so by reading newspapers we can enhance our communication skills, and we can express our views in a best way. Another thing is that actually make imagination, sit alone and think a lot that you are not in India, and make a story on your story and keep on speaking on that story. By doing so, you can learn so many new things, because when you imagine yourself, you can do lot of things, and you can enhance your grammar, you can enhance your word power, and structure of the sentence. These things will come in your mind slowly and gradually. So after a long time, you learn so many things in a very wonderful manner. Another thing that you must try to speak English more and more. You know well that in the initial stage, when we start doing anything else, we make mistakes. And mistakes are common for us. So because without making mistakes, we can't learn anything else. So don't worry that you are making mistakes or what people will say about us. Don't worry about all these things. Keep on making mistakes. Keep on learning the new things. Keep on speaking English. What people think about you, what's their opinion regarding you. Don't worry about all these things, because people have their own perception, people have their own ideology, people have their own thinking. So what they think about you, you don't know more about them. So don't worry about their intentions, about their feelings, but keep on speaking English all the time. It will enhance your communication skills. So don't worry about the people and make it a habit. So whenever you learn any new word, you must remember it, you must memorize it. Suppose if you are sitting alone, and you must memorize that what I had learned yesterday, what I learned today early in the morning. So you memorize these things. What I did, I'm telling you the same thing, because I'm also from village area and I had been from Hindi medium. Still, I speak English. Why? Because I did all these things. I'm not imposing my will on you, and I'm not imposing my ideology, my thinking on you by force. No. I'm just telling you that how I got these kind of things, by striving, by doing great efforts and endeavors, and try a lot. So don't bother, don't consider about the consequences, about the outcome or results, that if I'll make mistakes, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Let me tell you, nothing will happen. Have patience on your and keep on doing the things in a best way. But by doing so, you can learn the amazing or wonderful things in life. And don't be so much aggressive that, okay, I learned the language today, I won't wait any longer. No, you have to have patience in your heart. Without having patience, we can't achieve language, we can't achieve our target. Because to get command over the language is not a child's play. It comes by doing efforts and endeavors. And another thing is that try to learn grammar also. Because without basic structures, because without learning grammar, it's not possible for us to speak English best. And if we will make mistakes, what's the use of such language? You know well that. And particularly if you want to face an interview, if you want to go in any office, in any professional interviews, then these things are very mandatory. Because soft skills play an important role. They play a very vital role in everywhere. There are so many people who have the good degree, good diploma. They are the expert, they are IITians. They have the good diploma, like computer diploma, so many technical diplomas. Still, in spite of that, they can't get jobs. Why they face such problems? Because they don't have soft skills. Soft skills means to express your views, communication skills, your fluency, your appropriate word must be used in a appropriate place. Only when this increase the beauty of our language. And next, try to express your views in front of new people, in front of others, and try to expose your ideas with your friends, with your neighbors, with your relatives, and don't be hesitate that what they will think about you. No. Just keep on learning. Never stop learning, because those people who have stopped their learning, new things, they have stopped their career. So in today's time, if you want to do the best things, amazing things, wonderful things in life, do one thing, keep on learning, and next thing, which is concentration. Concentration of mind is very necessary, because get up in the morning, do the prayers, go for morning walk, do the exercise, yoga, all these things. Because if we don't do all these things, we can't concentrate our mind, and without concentration, a mind, we can't get nothing in life. Because we will be very lazy, sluggish, monotonous, lethargic, and you'll think that, okay, I'll do this work tomorrow. So you'll postpone, you'll procrastinate your actions in future. So I'm sure that I have expressed my views in front of you. Being Indian, so how can we learn English in North India particularly, where people are afraid that, okay, I can learn it at any cost, it's my problem, but you can do all these things. Thank you. Have a nice day.